Good morning, welcome back to another video. Today my video is about an interior detailing video of my Tata Altroz. I have last made an interior detailing at least 1.5 years back, and it is showing signs of aging. As you can see, earlier Altroz used to come in a light color, a light grey with a little bit of another whitish type of color, and all these are showing a blackish layer on the surface. So also the monsoon is going on and AC is running, so the interiors also is added moisture, and you can see this special area. This was the actual color, and the rest you see has all become blackish. So I will detail all the door trims and dashboard today. For this I will be using two products. One is this Wavex W PLVR cleaner, with which we will clean the door trims, as it says that it will be easier to clean this type of areas. So for the cleaning purpose we will do this, and after cleaning there will be a dullness. To restore the shine and bring it back to that original form, I will use this particular dashboard and leather polish and conditioner. I have also procured some detailing brushes to reach the sharp areas where these detailing brushes will be helpful. I will draw a line so that it will be easier for you to understand the clean surface and the other area. So we will clean this particular area and I will show you how the difference is. First I will spray this area with this particular cleaner. You will be careful while you are using the switch areas. So you can cover it up like this, so that water or any liquid doesn't penetrate inside. After you have sprayed it, allow some time to work on the dirt. If you see some stubborn areas, it is best to agitate with a brush, because these areas are not plain surface actually. So dirt gets trapped inside this particular rough areas. A brush is helpful, detailing brush is helpful in this type of areas. Now I will wipe up this dirt. You see the dirt has come to this microfiber cloth. You can see the dirt that has collected on this cloth. So you can see the difference, how clean this area is and how it looks. So like this I will do all the door pads and I will show you what is the result. The area is absolutely complete and it has dried up. No residue is there of this particular detergent. Let me process the entire car and then I will show you what is the result. Use plenty of microfiber cloth, as once gets dirty use a fresh one. Otherwise the dirt from your cloth will again get back to your door trims. During the monsoon season, since moisture was more, door trims has suffered a lot due to moisture and dust. It's very handy, as you can see. Not create any specialty detergent, just spray it on and off. And simple light strokes with detailing brush will do the job if it is stubborn. Since it's raining every day, I couldn't do any exterior detailing job for both the cars. Both the cars have become very dirty. So an exterior detailing for both the cars are pending for you. I will soon do it as soon as the rain subsides. Even if you see sun early in the morning, just within 1 hour or 2 hours it's raining. In fact, yesterday throughout the day it rained intermittently. In fact, for a detailing job you at least need a 12 hours of dry time. I'll do the dashboard areas. These are all textured surface. It collects more dirt than normal plain surfaces. So these are actually dust magnets. It looks good, but the problem is that it collects too much dust. Even we drive with windows closed and air conditioner on. By January the car will attain the age of 3 years. Still there is a smell of new car. I have tried to maintain it as much as possible. As you know, I am a car people and always love to have cars shiny like new. You see, it was showing in faded color before cleaning this area. Now it's giving a new look. You can see the difference. The center console areas. ওটা বাস লাগবে না, এটা নরম লেদারে। This product is all-in-one type product. It can be applied in rubber, it can be applied in plastic, so you need not worry. It can be also applied in a fabric also. Now the cleaning part is over. Now I will apply polish to all the door pad or door trim areas and all the areas that I have cleaned, so that it gets protection and it gives a good shine and luster. So let's apply it with the help of an applicator sponge. So this particular pad door trim has been finished, and you can see the original luster and shine is back, and it gives a fresh dull shiny look. I don't like the glossy one, it reflects while you drive in when sunlight falls on your car, but this type of luster gives a very good looking result, and it is looking almost like a new door trim. So this procedure I will apply to all the doors, and finally I will show you what is the result. Very easy, just dab it on your sponge and apply it. And these jobs, when you do it on your own, you do it to your satisfaction, because I have seen all those small detailers, they are in a hurry and they leave dirt over there, they leave dirt over there, and the results are not satisfactory. And the polishes they use are of very cheap quality. They are not going to use this particular good quality polishes except some eminent detailers, but they will charge you a bomb. So any Sunday when you are free, and if you love your car and if you want to detail it, you can. Always remember, when you are doing all this type of jobs, do it under a shade, never do it under direct sunlight, as these polishes or these surfactants will dry up fast, and it will be very difficult for you to clean it. This side is also complete. So the application to all the door pads have been completed. All the door pads have been completed. Now I will come to the dashboard area. The product gives a nice smell. When you confuse with the small applicator, which applicator is the smaller one. This is already a shiny luster is coming back to the dashboard, so that it won't look dull anymore. And remember, while you are polishing your dashboard, never use any shiny dashboard polish, as it will reflect while you are driving in the sun. Avoid those polishes. Always use a mild shiny one or a matte type of one. Finally, I have completed the entire job, and you can see the result. The dashboard areas, how good it's looking. It's absolutely looking like a new car dashboard. These are the B pillars, A pillars. All has been taken care of. Let's come to the back side. The door trims, the door seal areas, the rear parcel tray area, and also the C pillars where there is this type of fabric. You can see the entire door pads. It's just looking like a showroom finish, and not a single dart is there. All the door seal areas. This is the front passenger side door. See the finish, and also the dashboard. Especially these areas, it had lost its luster previously, but it has been restored back and looking absolutely new. All the central console areas. So in this way you can easily detail your car interior easily, and if you find a Sunday or any off day earmarked for this type of job, and it can be done very easily without any hard labor and at a very economical price. You just procure the ingredients, and I will give you the links in the description box if you want to use these products. Hope you have liked the video, and if you find the video useful, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe and like. Thank you very much, and goodbye.